proper viticulture, distillation methods, and even the spiritual side of Pisco production. There is another crucial step in the process: caring for the Pisco post-distillation. But before explaining how Pisco is cared for, I would like to explain why Pisco must be cared for. As you know, the DO in Peru requires that the Pisco rests for at least 3 months. This allows the flavors and the aromas of the Pisco to evolve, improving the overall quality of the product. However, many master distillers prefer that their Pisco rest for much longer. This is because Pisco aromas are extremely volatile. First, I will talk about aroma compounds, and then I will discuss volatility. Put simply, an aroma compound is an odor that can be perceived by animals, including humans. Aroma compounds differ in their origin and evolution during the Pisco making process. They may come from the grapes, fermentation, distillation, or during the resting period. Remember when you learned about monoterpenes in the lesson focused on the aromatic Piscos? Monoterpenes are one of the largest and most researched wine aroma compounds. However, there are hundreds of volatile aromas found in alcoholic beverages. If you take a look at your screen, you can see a few examples. Now, let's discuss volatility. I have used the term volatile a couple of times, but what does it mean in the context of Pisco? In this context, volatility means that the desired aromas or odors easily evaporate at normal temperatures. During the resting phase, the aromas stabilize and blend with the liquid. So, if a Pisco isn't properly cared for, there is potential that its aromatic qualities will drastically dissipate. Additionally, the benefits of resting a spirit after distillation are many. Let's discuss further. A recently distilled Peruvian Pisco should rest in sealed vessels in order to prevent evaporation and to allow the aromas to blend with the liquid. In addition to melding aromas, the resting period allows for the spirit to achieve cohesion. Since distillation is a violent process, it allows for the recently separated molecules to resettle and in turn enhances the overall flavor of the Pisco. Resting in neutral casks, such as the one seen in the photos, also allows for the grapes' flavors and aromas to maintain their original identity. Remember, this is different from Chilean Pisco and grappa, which may be aged in barrels, adding both color and flavor. Examples of neutral vessels are glass, stainless steel, fiberglass, ceramic, or food-grade plastic. Now you understand why and how Peruvian Pisco must rest for a minimum 3 months in neutral vessels. This means that when you taste and smell a Peruvian Pisco, you can appreciate the base ingredient, grapes, and all the work that went into growing them and crafting the Pisco. You will practice this material in the activity for the lesson. Thank you for joining me today.